Good morning, this is Kevin Batchelor here. I'm one of the product managers at Fishbowl Inventory, and today I'm going to take a few minutes and walk you through all of the new features that are in version 2011. The most obvious change to Fishbowl version 2011 is going to be these great new icons and the cool new look and feel that we've applied. The graphic designers went out and built a new set of matching icons for both the navigation bar on the left and all of the modules. The new look and feel is called Microsoft Office 2003 Gray, and you can always change the look and feel back by going to your Tools, Program Options, clicking on the General tab, and changing the theme. Let's move on now and talk about some of the cool new features that come out in version 2011. Two new modules have seen facelifts, which include the Report module and the Inventory module. Let's start with the Inventory module. I've opened up the Inventory module in Fishbowl, and if you look down at the information section in the Inventory module, you'll notice that the tag column has been removed. Over the years, we've gotten a lot of feedback about tags, and the majority of that feedback has been negative. And in an effort to simplify Fishbowl, make it easier to use, we're removing the tag as a required piece of tracking from the system. Now, you can, as an option, create a new type of tracking called tags and continue to use tag tracking. By removing it, we've simplified a lot of the processes in Fishbowl. So moving inventory is a one-step process rather than a several-step wizard. Likewise, cycle counting and adding inventory have gone down to two-step processes from several-step wizards. The imports don't require tags, and it's made it a lot easier to use the inventory imports and exports. The other new feature that you can see in the inventory module is this cool new display UOM box. And here my B201 that I've loaded is displayed in the unit of measure each. It'd be really nice if I could display this in some of the alternate units of measure. So I can just click in this combo box and I could display my B201s in the unit of measure of package if I like. Let's see how many packages I have available in each of my locations. Let's talk about the new features that are available in the report module. When you open the report module, the first thing that you're going to see is that we've changed the search layout and we've added a big green folder to the table. The vision that we had for the report module was to make it easier for users to find the reports that's important to their piece of the business. So the first thing that we did was we added a search feature to the report module that's on the front tab. This will search all of the folders for the report that you're looking for. Say I'm looking for the sales order report. And it will filter the list immediately and open the folders to show any of the folders that match my search criteria. Let's clear that out. The second new thing we have is this green favorites section of the reports module. We've divided the reports folders into two sections. We have the company reports and we have the user's favorites. Each user in Fishbowl is going to have his own favorites folder. So as the administrator, I have my own folder. And if I log out of Fishbowl and I log in as a different user, let's log in as Dave and open the report module, you'll notice that Dave has his own favorite section. So let me show you how this works. Let's say that David is a salesperson in my company and he often uses the sales order summary report. So I can find the default sales order summary report down here in the tree, and it's a little hard to find because we have a lot of reports. There it is. And I can right click on that guy and just click add to favorites. Scroll up, you'll notice that the sales order summary report is now in Dave's favorites. What's nice about this new favorite section is that each user will be able to set up the reports to run the way they like them to run. So as Dave, if I run the sales order summary report, I may like to modify the report and change the date range and change a few of the other filters. Let's say I want to see in progress, and also I want to apply my date filter a little bit differently. Then I can save that filter set, and then each time I come in to run the report, it will run the way I like it to run. In addition to that, I can rename the report so that the report makes more sense to me. If sales order summary doesn't make a lot of sense to me, I can rename the report to be the completed sales report, matching the name of the report to the filter set that I apply. I could also change the description of the report. And all of these will save. You can see that it changes the name over here. The other thing that I can do is I can change the module associations for the report. So as Dave, I use the POS module quite often, and I like to see this report in the POS module. Other people may not like to see my particular report, so I can save all of those changes. Now when I go to the POS module and go to my reports, I have a new section called My Reports, and I can see my completed sales report that I just created using the new report module. Of course, there are a lot of other new details in the report module that are important. We've added the ability to copy reports, to delete them, to paste them into new folders. You can create new folders so that you can organize your favorites the way you like. You can also create new folders in your company tree so that you can organize the company's folders the way you would like to see them. All in an effort to make reports easier to find so that your users can find the right report at the right time. Well, that completes our demo for what's new in version 2011 for Fishbowl. I encourage you to also look for what's new in Fishbowl Mobile Warehouse. We have some exciting new features available for that this year. And good luck and happy fishbowling.